Your boy Young 360, man.
I'ma thought this speak close as fuck.
Me and Nova on this bitch. Yeah, tell him.
Stay.
Here, what's good with YouTube? It's your boy Drilltastic. Back like I never left with another video, man. We got another IRL video for y'all, man. We might get 2-3 videos one day type shit today, man. Why you jumping, man? I got my boys out here with me. You know what I'm saying? I got my boys out here with me, man. Gotta come show them some love. Got a project we might be working on, man. And I got a couple cars I'm looking at. And we might be getting a new addition to the family, to the channel, man. But hold on, let me show y'all. Hold on, boy, wait, you gonna cut yourself on the house? Damn. Yes, sir. We gotta, you know what I'm saying? We might got a rebuild coming, gang. We might got a rebuild coming. It's well deserved, though. But say, man, hey, man. Today we finna fix on the truck, bruh. And, yeah, man, we finna put an alternator on, bruh. And I know y'all might not want to see that, bro. So, I mean, it might be on all type shit, how I'm feeling. Well, you know what I'm saying? Let's get a cold start in this motherfucker. Cause we ain't got a cold start in a minute. So we finna get a cold start. See what the motherfucker hitting like, man. See if it'll crank up real quick. You know what I mean? Let's see. Alright, up. The cold start hitting like, man. We ain't had one of them, man. I can't tell you how long, man. Let's get a cold start in, man. I want to set y'all a little close. You know what? Let's set y'all about right there.
The right one? Don't fire it up, nigga. Don't fire it up, nigga. Bro, don't fire it up, bro. Trick, don't do that. Just don't take the shit out. Don't fire it up, bro. You put it on, then fire it up. Fire it up, this shit gonna be hot. That's what I'm telling you.
What's gonna be hot?
This shit gonna be hot.
Like,
You ain't better work on this fucking hot, like.
no, it ain't.
If you run,
I'm not gonna run it that long.
you ain't gonna run it.
15 up here. Oh, let me go. But see, yeah, man, there y'all go. That motherfucker didn't even fire. We can't get a cold start. So you know what I'm saying? We finna go get this in. We finna pop it. We finna go crazy. Follow me. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, come open this pack with it, man. Do some unboxing. Unboxing shit. Unboxing shit. Oh, damn. Motherfucker got some weight on it, gang. Oh, yeah. Nothing like a brand new Ultiminator. Ain't nothing like a brand new Ultiminator, man.
Sure, you better be glad you did fire this bitch up. You got something in there, but it's barely in there.
Start with the simple shit. Huh?
Nah, broski, you good.
Huh?
You might well change alternator?
Yeah, I'm about to go and get this motherfucker right. Hold on, man. I ain't gonna be able to do that shit.
Alright, well, see the go. Get that, I ain't gonna load it. No, take you a table or a chair or something, just get it behind it.
I tell you what.
Just now?
Yeah, I raced a couple days ago.
He just got that rig not too long ago. Another rig.
Oh, he sold a black one?
Nah, that's what I'm talking. You know, he had a blue one. He sold in the giveaway.
Nah, I ain't see the black one
He buy a
yet.
ticket.
I mean, I ain't see the blue one. I know he got that black one.
He called Grandma Nana, Granny Nana, something like that. And that bitch was sky blue with the blue top. Instead of talking about V6 in it, get out there and tear that motherfucker up, bro.
I tell you what I showed Barge a couple days ago. Bruh, so I'm in there editing the video. I'm watching not J Malcolm but Cooley. I was watching Cooley be
I fuck
Cooley.
with Cooley. Hey, them niggas what he say? They get Cooley on them go this shit, bro. Oh God, they don't be playing.
Boy.
Then that nigga he go where the police don't be tripping about them niggas hitting they.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I'm like, but crazy as hell.
Yeah. And nigga and 12 don't care. 12 want them to hit that shit.
Boy,
Niggas
it
come
was a
through
box Chevy. Oh my God, that Hellcat mode. It was supercharged.
It was supercharged.
I thought it was a Hellcat mode in that mode. He gonna say, yeah, it's a 4.6. Say that nigga still.
Talking about old school.
Yeah. He said it's a 4.6.
Yeah, that nigga toe off in that bitch, boy. I'm talking about it's like a pinkish color, bro. You pull up and then, oh yeah, this nigga can hit that bitch. And then coming down the parking lot, bar, you hear that bitch. No, fuck that shit. Got supercharged.
Wow. You hear that whine like that?
Oh boy, that turbo ain't gonna whine like that supercharged. The turbo more of a sucking.
Yeah, it's right away too.
Yeah, it's more of a sucking.
But you know that supercharger, it take power to make power.
That motherfucker. I don't know. I think I'd rather supercharged though, bro. The turbo. The simple fact. Motherfuckers blowing shit up with them turbos. They ain't got the right shit behind them motherfuckers.
I don't know, man. I was talking to Chris ass, and I don't know. He got me thinking, oh, that Pro Charger motherfucker.
That's why the Pro Charger, the supercharger, when them Hellcats come through that motherfucker. Them motherfuckers be whining like a motherfucker, boy. I say that. Then them niggas got them be. They supercharging them motherfuckers got them be. Them 300s now, shit, put them Hellcat motherfuckers.
Yeah. Them motherfuckers raw.
I'm fucking with it. Nigga fucked the game more when he put that short bed. He put that Hellcat mode in that short bed.
I ain't seen one in no short bed. I seen one in that long bed Chevy though. It's brown.
Nah, that's a short bed.
Which one?
It's
That
like
brown, the one I'm talking about?
Like brown.
Yeah, it's like like the color Pop's had on. But
Yeah, let me ask y'all
That
something.
nigga dumb, that's a sneak attack.
yeah.
Damn sneak attack.
What about that goddamn what about can they put a Hellcat motor in the cutting?
Well,
Yeah, you could.
You put
It's a dude working on that.
Nigga,
He from New Jersey.
Side by side, bro. Seen on TikTok. Nigga,
Yup,
he
hitting.
can't hold it in the road, bro.
Smoked the
Soon as
whole
he hit
country
that,
up.
That bitch just, bro, look like a jet, bro. He can't even hold it straight, bro. They got
See, I do the easy shit first, man. I'm gonna knock that
Hey,
out.
you can do, man. You can
Back
hold
here.
my bitch. That nigga take a fucking. That nigga take a 5-0 out of the Mustang and put in this bitch, bro. Shelby mother put in this hole, bro.
Oh,
All you need is your computer. Wow, huh?
Yeah, I'm a
They
Chevy.
change the motor mounts, but now they make a motor mount to everything.
I'm a Chevy man myself. Yeah. Nah, boy, y'all seen that new Mustang they just dropped? It's called a GTD.
That's bad. That bitch like.
Oh my
300K,
God,
300K.
boy,
It's up there. It's in the.
barge. That it got the mid motors like the C8s. I know for
They
it.
say it's super duper. Damn, I thought I said it. Man, them niggas hitting it, bro.
Get it right. Hey, JJ finna be down here.
Felipe?
JJ the boss, man.
What's that?
I be forgetting that you don't be watching that shit I be watching, boy. He from Memphis. He be racing. He was down here a couple weekends ago. He was at the port.
You wanna see my boy Emmett?
Boy, he gonna dog the shit out of Emmett, bro.
He do not want none of Emmett cutters, bro.
I promise he gonna dog him.
We gonna tear him up 2 seconds, bro.
He got a 67 Chevelle. Oh my God. I don't even know if he still got that but boy.
I'm talking shit, bro.
Nah, I know. I was talking shit too.
My nigga worked up, man.
What's up, Paul?
Well, he can say he did it. Hey, what he say? He can say he did the right.
Yeah, JJ finna be in Prescott. Hell, they been some. No, I'm doing it now. They been some money too,
Said you
boy.
been up this whole damn time and ain't did it.
No, I've been down there.
Yeah, I know. don't know if he know. That motherfucker was.
We got them motherfuckers. That motherfucker get them cocoa, get them Cheeto Puff things like.
That's the
That what the lady said, baby, get them balls, man. I said, baby.
hell nah.
I said, quit disrespecting me, baby.
I'ma fire your ass till you step
Boy.
out there with them, boy.
What's that, them beaties?
Yeah,
I'm not wearing that
Cheeto Puff.
I'm not wearing that shit. That goofy
You
ass.
gonna keep that hair.
That's that shit they used to wear back in the day. in the
Hey, you say that
band.
shit make your hair go, man. Your hair gonna go with it, ain't it? Shit didn't make your hair
It did. Yeah, it did.
go. Shit done done on
Didn't know how long you leave it up.
I never had it.
I wore them before.
I never had it. Oh, now that let my mom put that shit on me.
I had them a couple times.
He tried it one time. No. I said, what the
That's how I'm taking this shit.
You ain't gotta do it, them, man. Cause I need some, cause I need my hair bad. I'm trying to put them coat bars in there. So I need to wear another month. Fuck that. So Kanisha did that shit. I came home 2 days later. Don't take it down till I'm gone, bro.
Right. Here go goddamn,
There we go.
yeah.
Real shit, bro. So I can comb it, bro.
Need a
I
12.
never fucking again, boy. Seen it didn't happen either, boy. I thought I never, boy.
Let me show.
I said, if anybody test me, that nigga tested me, bro. I'm talking about test me. Hell, about what I got done, though. This shit, boy. Put some water on it.
Decontangle.
I just took this. I swear I didn't take it this bad. I've been done with this.
Hard, dog.
I'm working on this motherfucker right now.
Say cheese, Marlon.
Huh?
Say cheese, Marlon.
That's dumb. That's dumb as hell.
Hell no. Just left tab, son. You got it.
Let's see if you can do it. You got to be up.
That's what I was sitting up there wondering, is he gonna get to him?
I'm gonna get to what? Bro, remember what y'all did with them pieces too, bro?
Pieces.
I was talking, boy. Telling them to make sure they put their pieces up when they done. So we got this one right here done. Got that bought out. That was a 13. I forgot what this one was, but it might vary different on cars, man. And take that plug out, and then we're finna get back here. That small motherfucker. That's where that power shit is. We finna go get that out the way. My motor got my goddamn shit hot. I think they can see. I had to zoom in. I'm sure trying to go down there too, boy. Hope a bunch of more Memphis people come.
Have Smiley bought me up.
And today, thought you needed an alignment, nigga.
I do. I'm just talking shit. My daddy done called me.
I was finna, go.
So I'm drinking the Coke, son. I'm gonna put it in the freezer. I'm putting in the freezer.
I want to use E6s for this car show, but I don't feel like airing them. I done had E6s on my truck. Yeah, the ones off his truck. He ain't got 6s on his car, do he?
ones that took out the
Oh, yeah. That's why I was asking March about them. He was like, I don't think they'll fit, bro.
They're gonna be small.
Who that?
Now, them foes gonna look small, but after I had talked with Trenton, I was like, yeah.
Man, boy, they gonna look like E6.
What fuck no. Pop shit worse than Ease. They can't hold, well, that one can't hold air. I'm gonna have to take an air machine with me. With Ease, I wouldn't have to do that. I just have to air it up like every other day or every 2 other days. 13, 11, and a 12 to a damn 10. This boy, ain't no, there it go. Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no fucking way, boy.
Hey, now you know what? You know you wiped that bitch down, goddamn good, and that motherfucker. Hell yeah, I wiped it myself. Walk back and come through there. Ah, damn, you do a wonderful job. He said, I said, what happened to you? Man, you know me, I got on one of my moves, man. You know me, man. I gotta, I said, yeah. I said, all right, don't worry about it.
He's like, no more.
Yeah, I took good care of it. Did a wonderful job.
You finna beam that one up today, ain't it?
Yes, sir. Shit, but hell, we up on the arms.
Make sure y'all keep them, gang. Put them up
I see
real
you
swell. Keep all together, man. I forgot about that piece.
Yeah, your shit got them slide on us.
I gotta get me some. I gotta get my own tools too, bro. Damn, somebody about the wreck, ain't it? They tear that damn horn up.
Damn. What direction was it coming?
That.
See, girl, trying to get that bird. Got that taco meat coming in.
No, I just had shaved not too long ago. About to shave again. I like that shit. But it seemed like the more I cut it, the more it grow in the spot I don't want to fucking grow in. I'm about to go get the fucking adapter. How long, gang? We'll be right back, man.
Pop me,
Oh, God, but they 255.
Yeah, man, we gotta get that more. I don't even think y'all can see that. What we finna do, we finna get this belt tensor right here. Get that belt to slide off. That shit pop right off, man.
Maybe it just looks like that because
Shit pop right off.
That's what I said, too.
255.
Maybe it's just like that because
I ain't gonna lie, they look like this one. All of them look like this one.
I believe it's just like that because
On the thing, yeah, that's what I said too.
And the thirst.
Yeah, these 275. Fernando.
I got a fucking classmate named Fernando.
So how did our dog get named Fernando P?
It ain't. Nigga named Pharaoh.
He just looks like a Fernando coming in.
No, he don't, bro.
Nina, and my Nina look like somebody Papa.
Hey, get that. Can't you stand?
What's that? Drop your wrench in there?
Yeah. Oh, motherfucker.
Let me get it. I got that little thing.
That's good. I told you, bro, my engine bay I got so much fucking space in here.
That's because it's a 305.
Bullshit. That's what I was telling Kate. Damn, I touched the spider's nest. Hey, shine your light right here, dude.
Nah.
Some and I was telling Doc, I was like, boy, ain't no telling what the fuck you can put in
What
your
you got in
shit.
here, man, on this fan belt? It says it's the 5 liter, but it ain't the 5 liter.
It is that 5-7.
Nah, this just came on the fan
American
thing they put on here. The
Makes
fan
no damn
cover.
sense.
That don't look nothing like nothing there.
But tell me what y'all notice, bro, missing, gang. What y'all notice missing? This is just a simple guess, bro. That crazy. Oh, maybe y'all need a side by side, bro. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's what it is. Y'all might need a side by side comparison. What's missing, bro? Damn, didn't give me the pulley, gang. What the bro? This the third goddamn alternator I done ordered, bro. First one they didn't give me. First one they gave me had the pulley, but it didn't fit. They ordered it for a GMC instead of a fucking Chevy. And now this one, goddamn, ain't got the pulley. That's crazy. I'm really hurt, bro. That's ridiculous. I can't stand this. Man, I'm about to jump. Oh, that shit crazy, bro. First one I ordered, they didn't get it.
I was in there talking to my mama.
I ain't get the other.
What other? What number one in there? Two in there. I ain't seen no.
Damn, bro. That shit really done kind of threw me, bro. That shit done fucked me up. Kind of threw my. Yeah, man, that shit had ruined my mood, man. Couldn't even get the vid finished for y'all, man. But y'all see the stinking lankin', man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the stinking lankin', man. Stop playing. 10 on that thing. Yeah, so look at that. Look at that. The shine on that one. That shit's crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the stinking lankin', man. You never know, shit. I might be with bro, hell. And that stinking lankin', man. Y'all see what's over there, man. Yeah, man, that's. I don't know, man. That shit really done blew me for today. That's the fourth alternator that I done had that ain't, you know what I'm saying? Like that shit blew me, bro. Watch the folks you shop with. That's all I can say. But nah, man, all I can say is watch the people you shop with, man. Hey, make sure y'all share the video, like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out, bro. Okay.
Look, I'm stacking the bread just like with some Legos. Get into the